Alright, so I'm out here at this car show, but I can't really talk for real because of the music in the background. But I'm just gonna show you the whips at this car show.
Shit, I'm cooking up like a dinner. Shit, I come from some shit, nigga trip. Shit, I'm floating, I'm out in the blip. Shit, it look like I'm swimming in glass. You can keep it P. Okay, back. Stay on that. Because I go, I don't like a damn move.
You got to call watch on Jay. I can't move, but I can't.
Still, they did. I'm always balling in New York, but never been to Dyke. 20 racks, so when I stand, I need a bitch to like me. All I want is money, nothing else is something. Falling with the bitch, you were in the coffee, bitch. Got the bitches out of me. Turn around with the niggas out of this train. Stars good as hell now. I'm a chain still ready. I can make 20 bands off and don't have to touch. I'm away to
Put that little bread when he left, he got followed. We need a lawyer, he needed a dog. They watching me step that I took like a toddler. Man, I can by myself, ain't no vouchers. Later, look, pictures ain't shit I can get an example. Shit too different people like how much time. I seen the scheming from top of the bell. We made it with that.
Yo, what's going on? So I know you couldn't really hear the video just because it was so much music going on, and basically it was a mini car show. And at this mini car show, you know, they had DJs, they had all these cars to come out, and you know, they just had a great time. You know, we were watching the vehicles, so I couldn't really play majority of the video just because of the music, and I don't want it to be like, you know, muted or censored or copyrighted. So that's why basically the whole video was muted and you couldn't really hear me talk because it was just too much music going on. But you know, it was a little car show, and you know, we had a great time, great turnout. We probably did about 6 vehicles that day. You know, just something on a slow day anyway. We just was really out there to network and make connections, so we did that too as well. And I just appreciate everybody tuning in. Continue to like, subscribe, comment on the channel. You know, if you want to comment any type of details or any type of videos you want to see, let me know and we'll lock in. Appreciate you all for tuning in, and yeah, that explains, like, you know, what happened at the car show.